The Lion and the Clever Fox. Once upon a time in a dense jungle, there lived a lion named Shah, who was the wise and just king of the jungle. All the animals respected him, though some feared him. One day, a young fox named Chatur, who had recently been separated from his family, wandered into the jungle. Chatur was small, but very clever and brave. Chatur decided that if he could befriend the lion, no one in the jungle would trouble him. Gathering his courage, he approached Shah and said, "Your Majesty, I wish to serve you as your loyal attendant." Shah looked at the tiny fox and laughed. "You? A small fox? What makes you think you can serve the king of the jungle?" Chatur replied confidently, "Your Majesty, I may be small, but I have intelligence and courage. Please give me a chance to prove myself." Amused by Chatur's confidence, Shah decided to test him. "All right," the lion said. "Near the jungle, there's a tall peepal tree where a hawk lives. She troubles the smaller animals every day. Convince her to stop, and if you succeed, I will make you my attendant." Chatur accepted the challenge and made his way to the peepal tree. The hawk was perched on the highest branch, glaring down at him. "Who dares disturb me?" she screeched. Chatur bowed politely and said, "O mighty hawk, I've come to speak with you about an important matter." The hawk laughed. "A tiny fox dares to speak to me? Do you even have the courage to stand before me?" Calmly, Chatur replied, "Mighty hawk, I know you are strong. But if you keep troubling the smaller animals, they will unite against you, and you will have to fight them all. However, if you make peace with them, they will respect you and even help you when you need it." The hawk paused to think. What you say makes sense. If I have their support, life will be easier for me. Very well, I promise to stop troubling them." Delighted, Chatur thanked the hawk and returned to Shah. "Your Majesty, the hawk has promised not to harm the smaller animals anymore," he announced. Shah was impressed. "You have shown both wisdom and courage, Chatur. From now on, you will be my special companion and advisor." The jungle animals, who had gathered around, cheered loudly, "Long live King Shah and clever Chatur." From that day on, Chatur and Shah worked together to keep the jungle peaceful and just. Moral of this story: intelligence and courage can solve even the toughest challenges, no matter how small or weak you may seem.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.